In our increasingly digital world, protecting information is paramount. This is where cybersecurity and information security come into play. While they are often used interchangeably, understanding their nuances is crucial. Cybersecurity, simply put, focuses on protecting electronic data. Think computers, networks, and any information stored digitally. It's about safeguarding data from unauthorized access, use, or disruption. Information security, on the other hand, has a broader scope. It encompasses all forms of information, electronic, physical, and even intellectual property. This includes safeguarding data against any threat, whether it's a hacker trying to breach a system or a disgruntled employee stealing confidential files. Both fields are essential in today's technological landscape. They work in tandem to protect our sensitive information from a constantly evolving array of threats. Cybersecurity excels in the digital realm. It deals with threats like viruses, malware, and hacking attempts. Professionals in this field work to secure networks, systems, and data from unauthorized access. They implement firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security measures to keep data safe. Information security takes a more holistic approach. It considers threats to all forms of information, including physical documents and intellectual property. This field also encompasses policies and procedures that govern data handling, access, and storage. Think security guards, locked filing cabinets, and employee training programs. While cybersecurity focuses on digital threats, information security addresses both digital and physical vulnerabilities. For example, a cybersecurity professional might focus on preventing a data breach through phishing emails. An information security professional, however, would also consider the security of the physical server room where that data is stored. Both fields are interconnected. Robust cybersecurity measures are crucial for maintaining information security in the digital age. At the same time, information security principles guide the implementation and effectiveness of cybersecurity practices. The threats faced by cybersecurity and information security professionals are constantly evolving. Cybercriminals are becoming increasingly sophisticated, employing advanced techniques to breach systems and steal data. In the realm of cybersecurity, threats include malware attacks, ransomware, phishing scams, and denial-of-service attacks. These attacks can cripple businesses, compromise sensitive data, and disrupt critical infrastructure. Information security faces a broader range of threats, including physical theft, espionage, sabotage, and even natural disasters. Social engineering, where attackers manipulate individuals into revealing confidential information, is another significant threat. Both fields are also grappling with the rise of insider threats. These can be malicious, like a disgruntled employee stealing data, or unintentional, like an employee falling victim to a phishing scam. The interconnected nature of our world means that a threat to one organization can quickly escalate to affect many. Therefore, collaboration and information sharing between cybersecurity and information security professionals are more critical than ever. Section 4. Careers at the forefront paths in cybersecurity and information security. Both cybersecurity and information security offer a wide range of career paths, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. The demand for skilled professionals in both fields is high and continues to grow. In cybersecurity, popular roles include security analyst, security engineer, ethical hacker, and forensic investigator. These roles require a strong understanding of computer systems, networks, and security protocols. Information security offers careers such as security consultant, risk management specialist, and information security manager. These roles demand a broader understanding of security principles, risk assessment, and policy development. Both fields require individuals with strong analytical and problem-solving skills. They must be able to think critically, identify vulnerabilities, and develop effective solutions. Communication skills are also crucial, as they often need to explain complex technical concepts to non-technical audiences. Aspiring professionals can pursue various educational paths, including computer science degrees, cybersecurity certifications, and specialized training programs. Practical experience, gained through internships or entry-level positions, is highly valued in both fields. Section 5. Conclusion. Two sides of the same coin. Cybersecurity and information security are two sides of the same coin. They are distinct yet interconnected disciplines, both crucial for protecting our valuable information in today's digital age. Understanding their nuances, their scope, and the threats they address is paramount in our increasingly interconnected world. While cybersecurity focuses on the digital realm and information security takes a broader approach, both fields share the same fundamental goal: to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. These principles, known as the CIA triad, are the cornerstone of both disciplines. As technology advances and threats evolve, the importance of cybersecurity and information security will only continue to grow. By understanding these fields, the threats they combat, and the career paths they offer, we can all contribute to creating a safer and more secure digital future.